Lonsdale, Minnesota, and my new listing at 525 Main Street. It is literally a quarter mile from downtown Lonsdale. The home was built in 1913 and has been beautifully renovated to keep that historic charm. So let's go take a look. If you are looking to sell or buy a home in the Twin Cities area, please contact me directly so I can help you out. And don't forget to subscribe. We will see you at my next listing.